I've helped my clients save over $5 million in taxes. Here's my top year-end tax tips. My favorite tax tip is number 3, because if you fully utilize it, it's worth millions of dollars to your family. Number 1, employ your spouse. This opens up the door to a lot of other deductions. Under Section 105 of the IRS code, you can have a health reimbursement plan. Any premiums or medical expenses for your entire family, including your kids, your spouse, and you, are fully deductible to your business. Hire a good CPA because they're the best pound-for-pound money you can spend, and make sure you follow me because I give you the tips that even they may miss. You would be surprised at some of the weird stuff you can deduct. You can read IRS Publication 502 for more details. For example, if a doctor has prescribed swimming or water exercise as a treatment for a medical condition, you may be able to deduct a swimming pool installation at your home. Number 2, you want to have a home office. This opens up the door for many deductions. This allows you to convert typically non-deductible expenses like your utilities, internet, homeowners insurance into business deduction. Utilizing that home office deduction now allows you to deduct typical non-commuter miles as now business deductible mileage. That's huge because every 1,000 business miles is $585 in deduction.